Hello guys, here's another video. We will be working on PLC and we'll show how we can use the PLC push button and keep it turned on using the PLC latching concept, PLC program latching concept. So what's the problem here? If we use a push button and here's the simulation live, if we press the switch, sorry, let's run it first. Well, this Q1 is our indicator lamp and I1 is switch. So if we press the I1 switch, it will turn on, but if we leave it, it will turn off. So suppose you have a push button and you want to use that push button for starting purpose of this Q1, and once you release the push button you also want to keep it turned on. So for that reason we'll be using the previous program to implement the concept of latching in PLC program. So how to do that? Let's turn off the simulation first. Here we'll drag this off a little bit. We'll use the concept of latching here. So for that reason we'll have to take a make contact. The make contact would be the of the output Q1. So we'll choose Q1 relay. So once the Q1 relay gets turned on, this make contact will turn on here. Then we'll need to connect here. So what will happen now? This indicator lamp make contact. This is not a physical device, this is an internal memory flag of PLC program. So this is not physically there, but it will be inside the program only. So this is physical setup, that is a start switch we have. This is a physical setup, that is a indicator lamp we have, but it is not the physical setup. Also the display message blocks, these are internal features of the PLC program, these are not physically there. So now if we look carefully, you can press F3 to bring on the simulation mode. So once you press this, it will turn on, and even if you release it, it will stay turned on. Okay, so here you can see the input is off, but still the output is turned on. So this is how we can use a push button to act it as a switch, okay, that will keep the load turned on. So let's upload this program. Let's upload this program to our PLC and see how does this work in hardware. So our PLC IP address is okay. We'll press the OK button. It is in run mode. We'll need to stop it first. Once it stops, we need to again put it into run mode. Now let's notice the hardware setup.